Hello everyone, it's Angela Bliss. I am going to be using a 10-inch round canvas today, and I'm going to bloom on it with some of the Color to Go by Sherwin Williams and Showstopper. It's a red, and I'm also probably going to do a 10-inch hexagon as well. And I've got some colors mixed up. We're just going to get started and get these two done. So the second one, I think I'm going to do a swipe. This one I'm going to do a bloom. So this is straight out of the can, nothing added. A little bit of a puddle right in the middle to flip my paints on. Should be good. Okay, and let's get started. Today we are going to use Amsterdam turquoise blue first. So we're just going to pour this on here, I think. My paints seem a little thin, so we'll see how that works out. And then I'm going to use the Sangria TLP just to give it a little shimmer. I also have Amsterdam Permanent Blue Violet. I've got the TLP in Horizon. I love this red. Again, just for a little shimmer. I also have the Azo Orange in Amsterdam. I've got two cell activators. I've got a gold, the Amsterdam Light Gold, and I also have Amsterdam Lamp Black. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of the blue right here. The black and then the gold. I'm just going to use our little mini blower with the mid-size attachments. Kind of let that settle a little bit. Do a little modifying here. We're just going to spin it out a little bit. Put it in the middle. Let's see. There it goes. I love that red. Ah, pretty. Just trying to make sure we have enough off. A couple of bubbles in there. Not many though. Okay, one more good spin. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. I like it. I like the middle. It's really pretty. I wonder if I can just get it to come off a little more. That's about all that's going to come off, but I do think all my sides are covered. Yep. I'm going to pause you. I'm going to move this one over, and we'll get the other one. Be right back. Okay, guys. That one was super pretty. This is a 10-inch, I think, maybe. So I think I'm just going to do a swipe on this one. Something different, but with the red showstopper background. Should be enough. Pop a few bubbles. Alright. I'm just going to lay these colors in a line. And then I'm going to put the black and gold soul activator on the back of my spatula, my palette mat. I'm just going to come through here, pull it across. Oh, pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. So super pretty. The cells have the black and the gold mixed together around them. It's really, really pretty. Can't wait till this dries so that we can see it. Wish I would have got more in there, but I think I don't know. I may just spin it out and see what it looks like. I think. Without doing anything to it. I don't know if it's coming. Where's the bucket? A little bit more paint. Better to have not enough than too much. One more big spin and I think we got it. That's super fun. Yes, we got it. Alright guys, I was going to do modifying to this, but I don't think I am. I kind of like it like that. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you think. It's really cool. Really like it. Really love the red. I love the showstopper red in the back. I love those gold and black borders around the cells from the cell activator. And I'm glad that I added the TLPs just to give it a little glisten and shine. But I love the way it kind of ombreed a little right here, like the red to the orange. And this is really cool how the red came through here with the black and the gold cell activator to the blue, to the turquoise. So, yeah, I will show you guys the job results soon. Take care of yourselves, be well, and I will see you when they're dry. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh my gosh, guys, I cannot wait to show you guys the dried results. I had to do a flat over of the wet results. These pigments just sparkle. I just love the colors together. I love the showstopper red. It is just amazing. And that gold is so beautiful from the light gold, the Amsterdam cell activator. I am just mind blown. I cannot wait to resin these. Okay. Thanks, guys.